Welcome back to the Bike of Boot channel. This is going to be a very short video. Yes, I saw somebody having the same issue where the brake light is sticking on the old Softails, and the problem is this switch here. So you can see the light there. When you press the brakes, that button releases, turns the brake lights on. Little button right here. So it should be pressed in while you're riding, and then when you press the brakes, the light will come on. So what some people have done to resolve it is the little tab in here, they put JB weld on it. I think this is a better fix. All they did was take two rubber hoses and cut it, right, and just stick them in there instead of using JB weld or glue or whatever they were using. This will last a lot longer. So I'm gonna put it back together and show you it works. I already know it works. I probably put about 100 or 200 miles on it with this fix. So stand by. I'm gonna need hands, but I'll show you real quick how this goes back together. So there's a little pin in there that touches this little lever there where my finger is. I'm gonna slide this in and put it all back together. I need two hands, so apologies. Don't forget to always cover your tank. I'm gonna tighten it up. Okay. Problem resolved. And again, I know it works because I've already had the bike out for a few hundred miles, but I just wanted to share that because I saw some videos out there that were doing some odd things to fix that problem. So it's saying to replace the switch. The switch looked fine. So like I said, other people were putting either tape or JB weld on it. I think that's going way over, and we could just stick a rubber hose in there and be done with it. And it's gonna last forever, I'm sure. All right. Well, if you like this video and other videos like it, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos on the Softail by request. People are saying that not enough old Evo videos out there. So check out Billy Lane's channel. He's got an old one too. I think the same year. So please like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and take it easy.